morning children. Today we are discussing 6th class assignment number 13. In the first Roman, choose the correct one. That means out of the 4 alternatives, you have to choose the correct one. In that the first question is, prime factorization of 30 is. What is the prime factorization of 30? So you have to factorize the 30 by using the prime numbers. 250 is 30, 3 5 is 15. So with that you can stop it. Then 30 can be written as the product of the 3 prime numbers, 2 into 3 into 5. Therefore 2 into 3 into 5 is the prime factorization of 30 and our correct option is 1. Next, coming to second question, the prime factors of 100. The prime factors of 100. So, in that, what are the prime numbers we are using in the factorization? So, in the same way, if we are factorizing, 250 is 100, 5 tens are 50, again 5 twos are 50. Now, all are prime numbers, you can stop it. Then, you can write it as 100 can be written as 2 into 5 into 5. Therefore, the prime numbers which are used in this factorization is 2 comma 5. 2 comma 5. The option is 2. 2 is the correct option. Next, third question. Already they are factorized. They have given 2 into 3 into 7 is the prime factorization of which number? From the 4 alternatives, you have to find out the correct option. How can you find? Just by multiplying these 3 numbers, what number you are getting, that number only the result. Therefore, 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42. So, this is the prime factorization of 42. Therefore, the correct option is option 3 and the answer is 42. Next, fourth question. I am the smallest number having 4 different prime factors. It is a smallest number and it is a product of 4 different prime factors. Then what is that number they are asking? So 4 different prime numbers, you can take it first. What are the 4 different prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7. Why we should take this 2 onwards? Because they have given the smallest number they are asking. That is the reason. From the smallest factor we have to start. That is the reason. 2 into 3 into 5 into 7 is the product of the smallest number, that equal to 2 3s are 6. 6 5s are 30, 37s are 210. Therefore, the smallest number which is having 4 different prime factors are 2, 3, 5, 7. Therefore, the option is 4. The result is 210. Next, last one. The process to express the given number as product of prime numbers is called dash. It is direct definition of prime factorization. So if we are taking a number and we are proceeding to express the given number as a product of prime numbers, that method we are taking it as prime factorization. That is the reason the process is also known as prime factorization. And the correct option is 4. Now the second round is solve the following. In the 6th question, the factor of 60, we have some methods for prime factorization, factory method and division method. In the factor tree, we are factorizing the given number like a tree method, like a tree. So first you are taking 60 and you are dividing by 2. 2 30 is a 60. The 2 you are blocking and you are writing down like circle. Now again 30 can be factorized. Then you are getting 2. So now 30 can be written as 2 into 15. Then 15 can be written as 3 into 5. Now at last the two are prime numbers. Already these two are also prime numbers. Still, furthermore they are not splitting into prime numbers. Therefore, the prime factor of factorization of 60 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5 is 60. Next, seventh question. The division method of 84. How we are factorizing by division method? By division, we are taking the divisor with prime numbers and divide the given number. 2 42s are 84. 2 21s are 42. 3 7s are 21. Now you can observe all they are prime numbers only. Then you can stop it this procedure and write down 84 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 7s are 84. Next, eighth question. Suppose the prime factorization of 60 is given, then what is the factorization of 15? 60 can be written as 15 into 4. 15 4s are 60. Therefore, 60 prime factorization what they have given? 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Then 60 can be written as what we said 15 into 4. So 2 2s are 4 if you are removing from the factorization. The remaining two factors product is getting as a 15. Therefore, the prime factorization of 15 equal to 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15. 2 2s are 4. 15 4s are 60. Like that you can take it. Therefore, the prime factorization of 15 equal to 3 into 5. So 15 also factor of 60. Next, ninth question. The smallest number having three different prime factors. So the smallest number having three different prime factors means we should take three different prime numbers starting from 2 and multiply it, that is the smallest number. Therefore, the smallest prime numbers starting from 2, 3 and 5. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Therefore, the smallest number which is having three different prime factors is 30. Next, last question. What they are asking? Write down the smallest 3-digit number and factorize that number. So, what is the smallest 3-digit number? Already we know about this. So, the smallest 3-digit number is 100. The 100 now we can take it and factorize any method. We are taking division method and factorize. 2 50s are 100. Again 2 25s are 100. Again 5 5s are 25. Now the prime factorization of 100 equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. 25s are 100. So the prime factorization of 100 is 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Now, with this the today's assignment part is completed. Thank you very much.